Hi friend, welcome back once again. How are you? I hope doing great. My name is Ashish Kumar Singh, and today I am teaching how to create pivot table. Sorry, I hope you got it. And without to waste time, let's start. And first of all, इसको डिजाइन कर लेते हैं अच्छे से. एंड फर्स्ट थिंग्स, सो इसको हम लोग सेल में जाते हैं. इन दिस shell check again, table is the perfect. So first thing, I will go insert and click the pivot table, not pilot table. All guys is this speaking is saying this pivot pilot table, but not pilot table. This is a good shape for this pivot table. And click, and two types select the table of this range and use of this data, and new worksheet and exist worksheet. So I'll check the new worksheet, and after that click OK, and select, and then OK. Select this table. Sorry, my mouse is not working is the properly, so I bottom. So again insert pivot tables, and then click pivot table. This is a new worksheet and existing worksheet. मीन्स आप इसी सीट पे इसको लेना चाहते हैं या अलग शीट पे लेना चाहते हैं. तो मैं अलग से सीट ले लेता हूँ एक, and then click OK. After that, there is showing chart for name, address, department, salary, and need. This is a very short of this making for this all documents quickly, and 30 seconds for making of this completed for this all documents. So please explain it how to work this. So for the first the names, so all names is so here you can see, and against departments is departments is here, but not need for department. So back space and salary, so salary is the value, and select the value, and total is equal to. Very quickly this define this value of there, and sum, automatically sum. Click here, and this create this all tables. So back this row, and seconds sales. So sales, I mean sales is equal to departments. So how to know this department, how to know this department of this monthly salary expect exactly, means कैसे हम पता लगाएंगे कि किस डिपार्टमेंट में किसकी सैलरी कितनी है या फिर कितनी सेल्स की है. सपोज द फर्स्ट ऑफ थिंग द क्लिकिंग ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट and the row column I've selected, then all department is here: electronics, finance, HR, logo, and OPD, and so I think this is sales is value. Electronic sales is this itna, and then total sales is here. So very quickly and this value of this showing here. I hope you getting it. So friend, I want to now this department for this only one electronic device how to sales, and how to know this while a single person. So selected first thing, they selected the departments and click the row levels, and exactly for this sheets value for this value levels. And I hope electronic device is this some finance and HR and logo and OPD and department. Finally I want to show this only electronic device, so click then here and selected here. All selected is the remove, and then selected electronic device. After that clicking OK. Only electronic device is same value, and then create the table. Finally electronic device is the two parts of Manish and Sanjay. Manish Bajarpur and Sanjay Varanasi, and salary total 20,500 and 15,700, and sales for this exactly very normally. I hope you get it. So come back to your table. I hope you have getting. I know you don't know what this is, 4 columns, and today I will very definitely clear this value. This is a value department. I think यह एक ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट है जिससे कोई भी वैल्यू आप यहाँ पे सबमिट कर सकते हो. एंड फाइनली रिपोर्टिंग फ़िल्टर, आप किसी भी चीज़ को फ़िल्टर लगाने के लिए, सपोज दैट मुझे नेम को लेना है यहाँ पे, सपोज यहाँ पे फ़िल्टर हो गया आपका, यहाँ पे ऑल्स नेम आ जाएंगे, आप किसकी वैल्यू कितनी लेनी चाहते हो, सारे फ़िल्टर्स यहाँ पे एक सेट लोकेशन पे आ जाते हैं. रो वैल्यू, किसी भी चीज़ को रो में देखने के लिए, मैं रो में देखना चाहता हूँ या कॉलम में देखना चाहता हूँ, ये हमारा कॉलम होता है. आई होप यू गेट इट. एंड कॉलम लेवल, दिस इज़ कॉलम 1 2 3 4 कॉलम, 5 कॉलम, 6 कॉलम, 7 कॉलम. सो आई होप आज आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा. थैंक यू. जल्दी मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.